Hi folks, Professor Amachi wanted to go over how JavaScript is going to be handling some arithmetic. Now, I did see one question that came in, and yeah, let's take a look at it. If we were to look at something like this, right? So if we had something like this, maybe our inclination would be to do something like this: 2 times 3 plus 1. Order of operations, we would probably assume that, which would be grouping this together: 6 plus 1 equals 7. But it was actually a trick question, because something like this, and if we were to think of it in JavaScript, yeah, that's not going to work like that. So I think there was some cognitive dissonance or something, that going like, hey, I'm just not getting this, right? First thing to remember, computers are dumb. So just keep that in mind, especially when doing something like this. Computers will just do anything you tell it, and computers have its own mindset. So something like this, right? If you want to think of that equal sign like a divider. Now, the way that a computer views this first is that it's going to do the math first, not the variables first. Yeah, let's actually just back this up here. It's actually going to unpack this first. So that would be 4. That's step 1. Then step 2 is to unpack the points. So unpack the points, that would be 2. And then looks like it's a multiplier right there. So this is step 2. So 2 times 4 is 8. That's how a computer is gonna unpack that. Let's just look at the code for it, just to make sure we're on the right track here. So if we're to do something like this here, just create a new file. This we'll just call it points JS, and I think the code was this: points equals 2, and then we're going to do points times equal 3 plus 1, right? And we'll want to log that to the console. So that's console log points. We'll find out what that is. So let's go ahead and take this code. Let's save this here. And let's see if we can run this. Yeah, so there's our answer there. It's 8. And there it is right there, 8. Computers are dumb. All right, hope this has been helpful. If you find this helpful, please give this a thumbs up. Please give it a like. Thanks a lot. We'll see you on the next one.